with the mindset or with the concept of you being able to make money out of it and then chill for the rest of your life after a certain point. Doesn't work like that. Doesn't work like that. It is not happening. But the moment you start something, you pursue or you go on a new endeavor, thinking that I want to do it because this is my passion. I like doing it. I want to do this. I want to make this successful. I want to make my efforts count. Is when you, without even realizing it, with passage of time, it will become a successful endeavor because the thought process really matters. The vibrations that go out over there. What was the first vibration that you sent out? I want to make money out of it. That has vibrations of negativity in it or selfishness. But the moment you are thinking of, you know what, I want to make this, I want to pursue this and want to make this a success because I like doing it. I want to make a difference. This is my passion. And you go after it with passion and with enthusiasm and with positivity. You'll attract that kind of results in return. And the moment after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, once it becomes a profitable company and it becomes a profitable business, there are two things that could happen. Either you can take a back seat, take a chill pill, and start treating it as a business. But the moment you start treating something in which you poured your soul and your passion, and you start treating it like a business, you will see things will change. The results that were coming your way will stop coming. Something or the other will change, and you will not be able to find or derive that happiness that you were finding before that change of mindset. Right. But 4 years later, once your company is successful, it will take you effort to continue going after it with the same passion, with the same enthusiasm, and with the same levels of satisfaction without, thinking that ये तो अभी successful business हो गया है. It will continue to thrive. हमारे इसमें कहते हैं ना, prosperity is one thing and wealth is one thing. A person can have lots and lots of wealth but not be called